Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get my DU SIM card number in 2026. So whether you have just inserted a new SIM, switched to a new phone or simply forgotten your number, these tricks work in seconds and most of them even if you have no credits. So the absolute fastest way is using a USSD code. In order to do it, simply open your phone's dial pad. Over here you need to dial *116# and then you need to simply press this call button here in the bottom. So your mobile number will pop up instantly on your screen, and this service is absolutely free and it works on any of the devices including the older keypad phones. Now if you prefer an SMS based method, you can just simply get your number delivered to your inbox. For that you just have to simply open your messages application. In the message you just have to simply type number in the capital letters to the short code 1355 and DU will reply almost instantly with an automated message containing your active mobile number. So you can try this method as well. If you don't have access to the phone's dialer, you can also check the physical SIM packaging. If you still have the original starter kit or the credit card sized plastic frame the SIM came in, your number is usually printed on a sticker labeled as mobile number or MSISDN. You can also find the 19-digit SIM serial number on the back of the chip, which customer service can use to identify your line. So you can select any of these methods in order to basically get your SIM card number. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.